Hey guys, just a quick message on grades. I do try to go in and grade once a week, the previous week's assignments. So I just got done grading assignments and quizzes from the first week. There's a couple people who had, they were late ads, so I didn't grade their stuff yet. So I didn't enter zeros, but I entered zeros into everybody else's grades, just so you know that when you're not doing your grade, that's what your grade's going to be. So it doesn't mean you can't still do the work, because I do accept late work, but I am going to enter zeros if your stuff is late. Because everything was due on Sunday last week. So just be aware that I'm going in and entering zeros. For the quizzes, you should still be able to take the quiz. And it will override the zero once you're done. And as far as assignments go, you might need to email me after you turn in your assignment if it's late, just so I know that it's in there and I can go in there quickly and hopefully grade it. So, because I'll try to check back with assignments, as much as I can, but it's hard to stay on track of stuff when it's late. After I've already graded that, I try to move on. But so just let me know if you turn something in and it's late. All right, we'll talk to you later. I just wanted to have a quick conversation with those of you that already have some late work. So I'm just letting you know kind of what my process is. It's not that I won't take the late work. It's just that I enter in the zero so that you know what your grade is if you don't get that done. And then if you do get it done, especially if it's an assignment, something that doesn't automatically grade, you should get a hold of me and let me know that you've turned it in so that I can go in and grade it. All right, we'll talk to you later.